Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Evony. If you want to change your language setting on Evony, then the process is quite easy. Launch open your Evony application on your preferred device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the bottom right hand corner. In the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. Under the Settings menu, tap on Language at the very top. You can then select from the multiple of languages displayed on the screen. To change to a new language, go ahead and select the language and tap on the box right in front of it. Now, tap on Confirm in order to change your language. Soon after that, your game will restart and you should be able to see your display language change immediately. That is how you can easily change the language setting on your Evony application using your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.